How to add a new professional account on Instagram? Here's how. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Then tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. From there, scroll down to the professional section and tap on creator tools and controls. Now scroll down again and tap on add new professional account. After that, you will be asked to select a category. Once you have picked a category, tap switch to professional account. Now enter a phone number or email address. Then enter your full name and create a secure password. Furthermore, Instagram will give you the option to sync your contact to help you connect with others. However, if you want, you can skip this step. After that, you will need to select your date of birth. Finally, choose a unique username for your new professional account and hit next. And that's it, your new professional account is now set up.